so what are we doing? We're doing fireworks.
Fireworks.
You said it, yay! Yeah, so we're about to do fireworks. You know why? New Year's. Say, can you say 2020? No, what are you doing? Elin, what are you doing? What?
Sip this for your lunch.
Look.
Whoa, what is all that, Elin? Did you buy that? No. Okay, good.
Fire.
Fire.
Where's Elin?
Okay, that's my $10. That's only like 5 seconds.
Here we go.
Here you go.
Uh-oh.
Daddy.
Whoa.
Yay.
That's it. Look, we run. You don't have to run, Elin.
Whoa.
Where they are, Elin?
Fire. Money.
Yep.
Maddie?
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
That one's a loud one. Whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Fire.
Whoa, Elin, look.
I mean, it works.
Yay.
It was buy one, get one free. No wonder.
Are you scared? Yeah, you scared?
What the hell is this, man?
You thought it was gonna be cool.
Throw it out. Just throw it. What the hell?
He thought it was gonna be cool.
What?
Are you scared over here? It's not gonna get you. Okay.
Whoa!
Wait,
We take turn.
wait, it says red, white, and blue.
Hey, that Mr. Rogers.
Huh?
He said your name.
Huh? Who?
Name.
Remember last time you got mad because you were
Oh, really? Oh, dog.
Fireworks kept scaring their dog and he came
Yeah.
over.
Let's go, dog.
Our neighbor complains all the time because basically the fireworks scare his dog.
Alright, so basically we go into the next location. This place is a bust because we got some lame neighbors, bro. They don't want to like celebrate the joy of a new year like we're trying to do. Like they're so lame. Staying indoors, bro. This is America.
We're in the back of
we're in the back. We're
our
going to the
Uncle
next-
David's truck.
We're going to the next location.
Yeah.
Hopefully, neighbors over here don't get mad at us and tell us, "Yo, go shake our dogs and you scared." Like, don't get scared. You scared.
I've never driven in the back of a truck.
I've never driven a back truck either.
This sounds so cool.
This is cool.
We got other neighbors over there. Oh!
Be loud.
Daddy.
Huh?
Apple.
Huh?
What?
Apple.
What happened?
Apple.
No,
I opened.
I opened.
I opened.
Okay, next one, okay? Don't care about the dogs. Texas dog.
Oh! Dang.
Oh, pretty.
Happy New Year, dog.
Happy New Year.
96 shots. So this is gonna go crazy. So you better get this one good.
Or else what?
No more.
Today is 2020. That's crazy right there. So right now we're just getting prepared for our stuff. It's reality, y'all. This is just reality chaos.
Hey, Happy New Year. If I wave,
You just be the star, okay?
all right. We are. Happy New Year, everyone. We are.
What are you doing? Nobody stars like that, Nicholas. So today I was in charge of making, what do you call this? A cheese board. It's so neat and perfect and organized. So over here we have 3 different types of cheese. We have some smoked ham. I think that's salami, some pepperonis, and some olives. I don't like olives. We also have some carrots, grapes, and of course we gotta have the Ritz crackers, and we also have some hummus. So yeah, my job here is done, and I'm gonna continue my job of eating. We're here babysitting the tots. We have Austin. Austin, can you say hi? Elin, can you say hi? Hi. And I don't think you can talk yet, but this is Aiden. Say hi. Today we will learn how to vlog, Aiden. This is how you hold a camera. You're gonna be a 1 million subscriber YouTuber, okay? Look at the viewfinder. Oh. No, never mind.